Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special tarot reading for the next 24 hours for your money situation, relationship, general energies. So, Scorpios, those of you who are new here, a warm welcome, guys. And Scorpios, I wish you all a very happy new year, guys. I hope and pray let this 2025 bring a lot of happiness, abundance, prosperity, success, contentment, joy in all your lives. So, Scorpios, with that positive intention, we are going to move on to the reading. And before we start the reading, we are going to meditate. So, think of your situation, Scorpios, while we meditate for a few seconds now. So, Scorpios, we are picking cards for your situation, for your career first, and then for your relationship. And we are going to pick as we proceed into the reading. And this will resonate for your sun, moon, rising, and Venus sign. So, I request you all to watch this reading till the end so you have cave. That way, you're going to get better understanding about the reading, about your circumstances, maybe some guidance or answers coming up for you, and you have veil breach. So with these cards here, cave and veil here for your work circumstances, maybe you need to find the thing that makes you really happy, that gives you contentment and joy, something that makes you feel at home, feel that you're doing this, you're really passionate about this, what brings out or what fuels your passion doing that today. So this cave, finding your sanctuary. So in your work, maybe some of you are involving yourself in something, maybe you do not like it that much, or maybe you are expecting a different opportunity or a choice. You're hoping that things will change for you somehow, but you're not willing to change because you are feeling stuck in ways. But you must ask yourself, Scorpios, are you doing what you love to do? So the things that you're really passionate about, if you do that and if you embrace that, no matter what, maybe there may be some challenges you're facing when you are embracing things you love to do. It's not going to be easy. That is the reason you have veil here, breach. So breaking free from a pattern, breaking free from what you have been doing already. So this veil is a sign that you need to break free, and something is here for you, some kind of an understanding or a clarity will reach you if you are ready to break free from that cycle you have been going again and again, doing something again and again. Time to change all that today, Scorpios. So we are going to see the tarot cards for your career situation, guys. So the first card, we have 10 of Earth in reverse. So this is a card of contentment, joy, happiness, things working. Let me place it straight. Working in a way you never expected, and this is a situation where you need to really focus on what you want for your present and future. And you have 8 of fire, something like 8 of wands, and you have emperor. So this is a sign that You know what you need to do or what is best for you in your situation. So Scorpios, you have 10 of earth in reverse. Maybe you are breaking free from something, a cycle, or you're putting an end to something, and you're going to see progress and changes. 8 of fire is a sign of progress, growth, positive changes, and emperor signifies financial stability, success. So you're going to see wonderful beginning, but you need to resolve something with 10 of wands. Sorry guys, 10 of pentacles in reverse. It can mean in order to achieve something greater, you need to make some changes, you need to make some sacrifices on your part, give up something to get something, but situation looks wonderful. You're breaking free from something. So Scorpios, some of you need to maybe you are involved in something that is not making you really happy. You need to change that path, that way, and things are going to change forever for you. So this emperor is a very positive sign that you're going to get what you want. You will know what to do, and you're going to be in a very good position in your career situation. It can be in your business or work. Things are falling into place the way you want very soon, guys. But first you need to resolve something, maybe make some changes in order to embrace the positive changes and progress that is coming your way today. So we are going to pick cards for your relationship, guys. So first, the oracle cards. So we have, I feel this will be the card. The first one, you have tree, grounding, and you have Milky Way, perspective. So the way things are happening in your situation, in your life, Scorpios, maybe you need to be more focused. You need to feel more connected, grounded in your situation. Whatever needs to be done or whatever is happening right now in your circumstance, maybe it will help you in a great way if you spend time in nature, maybe taking time alone. Maybe there are things you need to understand about yourself, about this person, and maybe this is the time for you to focus on what you want. Change your perspective on certain things today. So Scorpios, you need to change your perspective, the way things are happening between you and this person, the way you see this situation, and maybe you need to be more grounded, in the sense you need to feel that connection with this person, with everyone that are involved in your situation, your personal life. And you must remember that all of us are sparks of the universe. Each and every one of us, we all have that divine spark in us, and no one is ever alone. We are all together in this universe, and all of us share the space, that space energy, and we are part of that energy that is watching over us, that is guiding us, maybe our spirit guide. So something, that deep connection and bond, when you have that with someone you love, maybe you will try and see things in a higher perspective, And this Milky Way again is a sign here asking you to see things from a higher perspective here. Maybe this person has not been really fair with you, or this person has not been like you, but time for you to see things from a higher perspective between you and this person, Scorpios. So we are going to pick more cards from this tarot deck for you guys now. So Scorpios, I hope you are enjoying your holidays, having a great time with friends, family, with people you love. So you're starting off with Six of Fire, a very positive sign. Lot of good things, something like Six of Wands for you, and you have Eight of Water. So time to be really honest and truthful, and you have Messenger of Earth. So you're someone really someone who is really committed to your dreams and goals. You're someone who wants to be true to your heart. I hope you can see this card with clarity. Yes. So you're truly dedicated to this person in this love. You truly love this person. You share that deep bond. That may be the reason we had grounding. So everything, everyone, and all of us are interconnected with universe. So we are all a whole family, and we are all part of one higher being. So when you feel that interconnectedness, there is a deeper bond and love. There is a sense of belonging, and this Messenger of Earth, a sign that you are truly committed to this love. You are truly dedicated. And this Eight of Water is a sign, maybe asking you to come out with the truth, or tell this person the truth about this situation. Maybe you have not revealed your heart to this person. So very soon that circumstance is going to come up with the Six of Fire. You are going to propose, or this can be your person's energy. Maybe they are going to propose to you. They are going to tell you, open their heart the way they feel deeply connected to you. So Scorpios, some of you here, I feel you are in a soulmate connection. You share a deep bond. We are getting this energy again and again in this reading. It can mean that this person is your soulmate, and that is the reason you share this bond. Maybe lifetime after lifetime you are with this person, and there is something that brings you both together. And the Six of Fire, a sign that things are going to really put you in the spotlight. Maybe with this person proposing to you, maybe opening their heart to you. This new year, something wonderful that is here, and a lot of people watching you, appreciating you, or appreciating your love, or for that deep bond and sharing you both have for each other. Mutual love, respect is there in this connection, but you need to open your heart. Maybe one of you is not opening yourself up for some reason. That is the reason you have this Eight of Water. So time to open yourself for the truth you have in your heart deep down. So Scorpios, this person loves you. Things are going to move to the next step. So maybe a proposal, a very beautiful proposal is coming this new year. Something positive is here, and people are going to simply be jealous of you, and many people are watching you, your friends and family. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Scorpios, thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you all for your love and support, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.